Hibiscus plant is one of the most hardy and low maintenance plants. It can easily pass hard winters unless you do something wrong. In this video, we will see some tips and tricks you should follow for hibiscus plant in winters. This will keep the hibiscus plant alive in its off season and prepared for the next year flowering. So let's know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing to understand in hibiscus plant winter care is that winter isn't the growing season of hibiscus plant. It's a tropical area plant that loves a hot and humid environment, while in winters the season is totally an opposite. In cold seasons like winters, hibiscus plant completely stops growing, which is totally natural. Winter is the resting time of hibiscus plant, means no flowers, no growth at all. You just have to accept this and let the plant rest for some time. Once the winters are over, the warm temperature of springs will automatically signal the plant to sprout the leaves and new branches again. Just don't do something harmful during the winters, else will be okay. Another important thing in hibiscus plant winter care is the yellow leaves. With the decreasing temperature of winters, hibiscus plant turns its leaves yellow and drop them. If the temperature is too cold, all the leaves can drop, but if it's not too cold, some leaves may stay green. But yellow leaves are totally natural and common in winters. Don't panic and do something silly. The plant will be alive. If you wanna check, simply scratch the base of the main trunk. If it's green, your plant is alive and will definitely grow in the upcoming springs and summers. To learn about all the causes of yellow leaves and their solution, follow the description box video. Another very important thing in hibiscus winter care is to keep the soil just moist, not wet. Your hibiscus plant is resting, there are lesser leaves on it, that means the use of water will be lesser as well. Giving too much water can kill your plant. The simple way to keep things right is to wait until the top layer of soil is dry and then water only a little. In winters, the soil will dry out very less, maybe once in weeks. Just stick to the plan and let it dry first. This will keep the hibiscus plant alive and healthy over the winters. Another important thing in hibiscus plant winter care is to move it to a shade. In winters, the night frost harm the plant badly. If your hibiscus plant is big, it can handle the cold outdoor environment, but a small plant, especially potted plant, may struggle and die. So it's better if you can move it indoors or under a shade. Make sure to place it in a well-lit area. Dark shade is not ideal, a bright shade is good. This will keep the plant a little warmer than the outdoor environment. Just let the hibiscus plant rest in the shade for the winter season. In the meantime, you can grow other hardy winter season flowers. A detailed video on winter flowers is added in the description box. Feel free to take a look. Another very important thing for hibiscus plant winter care is not to fertilize, prune and repot it. Remember, hibiscus plant is resting and sleeping in winters. It doesn't need any fertilizer or pruning. You can fertilize it once the springs are on. Until then, wait. Don't prune it. There is no benefit of pruning in winters. Repotting will harm the plant too. Springtime is the best time to repot. I have made a playlist on hibiscus plant covering how to prune it step by step, how to repot, how to fertilize and much more. You can follow this from here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.